This is your Mimi sleek and strong comfort pram. This is a pre-assembled pram in which you have to only fix the wheels. Open the side lock to fully open the main frame of the pram. Take the front wheel and push it upwards in the rod to fix it automatically. Repeat this step for the other wheel. To fix the back wheels, you have to first assemble them. Take the metal rod, insert one visor and then attach the wheel. Tighten it with a bolt. Cover this with a black cover and then seal it with the green case provided. Repeat this step for the other wheel. To attach this wheel bar to the main frame, ensure brakes face outwards and press the metal buttons of the rod while inserting the wheel to the lock. Repeat this step for the other wheel. To fix the feeding tray, insert its side firmly into the gaps of the side handles. Push the canopy downwards according to child's needs and comforts. This small window on the canopy helps you see your baby in the pram. The seat has a double cushion with a 5-point harness belt for child's comfort and safety. Use the lever at the back to adjust the seat's position. This is the reclining position. Push the lever at the back more downwards to adjust the seat to the sleeping position. Use the black knobs on the sides to move the handle in the front and to use the pram in the front-facing position. This way, you can easily make eye contact with your baby. This footrest is adjustable. Use the pouch at the back of the canopy to carry small items on the go. This pram has a large storage basket in which you can carry many things at a time. Press the knobs of the brakes on the back wheels downwards to keep pram stationary. The front wheels of this pram have a 360-degree rotating function. Press the knobs of the brakes downwards to stop the front wheels. This seat has a double cushion that is completely washable. Push the lever at the base upwards to adjust the seat in sitting position. To fold the pram, release the safety lock and then press the small red knob near the storage basket. Fold the pram and use the side lock to join both sides together. Your sleek and strong comfort pram is now ready to be stored.